Hi students, in this video lecture we will discuss about the format of a research synopsis for health sciences. There are 15 components of research synopsis format for health sciences research. The first component abstract, the second component is title of a study, introduction, rationale of the study, research question, objective, hypothesis, operational definition of research term, and research methodology. In research methodology component of a research synopsis format, we discuss about the study design, study setting, study duration, study population, population inclusion and exclusion criteria, sampling techniques, sample size, ethical consideration. The ninth component of a research synopsis format is data collection procedure. After that, data analysis plan, references, informed consent, research questionnaire, and budget and Gantt chart study plan. Research abstract. Although it is written in last but occupies first, it should be about 100 to 250 words. It should contain background, objectives, methodology. In methodology, study population, study setting, study duration, sample size, inclusion exclusion criteria, sampling techniques, study design, and ethical consideration. And in last, mention the keywords related to the articles. The first component of a research synopsis format is title. Title should be a clear, concise, and descriptive title of what your study is about. For example, prevalence and risk factors of hypertension among adults in urban Karachi. Introduction. In introduction, brief background information highlighting the issue, prevalence, significance, and related studies. For example, hypertension is a major public health problem globally and it is responsible for high morbidity and mortality in Pakistan. In Pakistan, recent studies indicate rising prevalence in urban population. Rationale justifies why the study is needed, its expected contribution, and addresses the gap. For example, there is a limited recent data on hypertension in urban Karachi. This study will help update local statistics and guide preventive strategies for hypertension. In research question, a clear focused question of the study and aims to answer. For example, what is the prevalence of hypertension and its associated risk factors among adults in urban Karachi? Objectives. Objectives are general and specific aims of the study. For example, general objective to determine the prevalence of hypertension in urban Karachi, and specific objective to assess the relationship between BMI, smoking, and hypertension. Hypothesis. Formulate both null and alternative hypothesis. For example, null hypothesis, there is no association between the BMI and hypertension, and the alternative hypothesis, higher BMI is significantly associated with hypertension. Operational definition is clearly defined key terms used in the study. For example, hypertension, blood pressure greater than 140/90, or an antihypertensive medication. Adult, any individual aged 18 years or above. In research methodology, study design, the type of study you will conduct it. For example, cross-sectional descriptive study. Study setting, location of the research, where we conduct our research, urban health center in Karachi. For example, study duration, time needed to complete the study. For example, 6 months, July to December 2025. Study population, which people are you studying? For example, age greater than 18 adults visiting urban health center in Karachi. Inclusion and exclusion criteria, who is eligible or not to be included in the study. For example, inclusion adults greater than or equal to 18 years, and exclusion pregnant women, patient with mental illness. Sampling techniques. How you will select the study participants. For example, systematic random sampling. Sample size. How many participants will be selected and how will it be calculated? For example, total 384 participants selected, and calculation using prevalence formula with 5% margin of error. Ethical consideration. Address consent, privacy, approval of the participants. For example, ethical approval obtained from the DUHS, IRB, informed consent, ensured data kept confidential. Data collection procedure. In research format, in data collection procedure, we describe how data will be gathered. For example, a structured questionnaire will be administered face to face by trained interviewers. Data analysis plan. In data analysis plan, mention software and statistical method. For example, data will be entered in SPSS 25 version, descriptive states, mean frequency, and inferential test, chi-square, logistic regression will be used. References. List all the sources you cited in your synopsis in APA or Vancouver style. Informed consent. Attach or summarize the consent form ensuring voluntary participation. For example, a written informed consent form in Urdu and English will be provided before data collection. In research questionnaire, attach the actual questionnaire tool to be used for data collection. In budget, we explain the expected cost of your research. For example, printing cost 2000, traveling and logistic cost 5000, stationery cost 1000, and total budget is 8000. Gantt chart is the last component of the research synopsis. Gantt chart show the activities on timeline, month mentioned in the rows and activities mentioned in the column. For example, literature review activity completed in July and data collection will be completed in August and September month, and data analysis will be completed in October. Finally, report writing will be completed in November and December 2025. And press bell icon for more videos.